Hey everybody, I'm DEE SNIDER from Twisted Sister. Yeah, a lot of you know me. And when me and my wife decided we needed an aluminum fence for our yard, we figured we were stuck with all the typical stuff that everybody else has until we discovered Alumission. Now, Alumission system is so different top to bottom. When we went down to their office by their factory, we met Michelle, the people working there. They showed us their product. It's a modular system. It's an awesome system. I don't know if they use modular, but that's what it seems like to me, because you can make the fence and gates to suit your needs. Professional installers came. They put this thing in, top to bottom, a beautiful job, an amazing experience. I highly recommend Alumission for your aluminum fences or gates. They are